All right, welcome back. So this is another Carnegie Mellon activity. This one is Good Evening Earth. This is kind of cool. System loading, accepting inputs, Python, hello world.py. So this is the Python, Good Evening Earth. Kind of cool. Okay, so we're just going to do labels. We have 4 labels. We have system loading, because you can see on Canvas, they have all this. They already did the dim gray. So we're done with that. We just need to do this. So let's start with this system loading. And with the labels, we do start with what we want it to be. So system loading. Yeah, that looks right to me. So then we have our location. Be careful with the spacing here. There is no space after this. I don't think there is. And that's 170, or no, 140.75. And then we're going to fill that in with lime. And then that's going to be font Arial, but Arial is a default font, so we don't need to do anything with that. We just need to do size 18. And if we wanted to, I mean, we could put, Arial in there, but it's not needed. There's our system loading. Now we could, if we wanted to, we could just copy this, but I'm going to go ahead and just retype it. So now we're accepting inputs. Again, no space after that. The location here is 135, 100. And again, we have fill lime. And this you could copy and paste. And then size 18. Okay, because these two are identical. I don't think this one, size 18, but it's different font. So is this one. Yeah, okay. So now we got accepting inputs. Perfect. Now we have another label. And this one is kind of a tricky one. I wish we could copy and paste that. I'll do my best. So it is that. I think that's Python space hello underscore world.py. That looks right to me. Okay. Then the location of that is 195, 140. We're going to fill that in with lime again. And then that's going to be a size of 20. And then we do have a different font. Montserrat. Okay, let's go ahead and run that. Yeah, perfect. That looks good. Last one. So that's Good Evening Earth. 170, 200. I'm going to fill that in with lime. Interesting. That looks bigger to me than the other one, but it must be the font. The size is 18, so it's actually smaller than the other. And then the font is Orbitron. Okay. Does that look good? 170, 200, fill, lime, size 18, font, Orbitron. Okay. There we go. That should do it for that one. All right. Hopefully this helps you with your coding. Good luck.